Friends, welcome back to the new edition of Flavors and Knowledge podcast. I am your host, Ethan Clark. This episode explores the love in literature and pop culture of Valentine's Day. Let's take a close look on how stories shaped the holiday. The narrative of Valentine's Day extends beyond historical records, finding expression in literature, film, and popular music. The transformation of the holiday from a religious observance to a celebration of romance was a deliberate cultural development, shaped by the creative efforts of writers and artists over centuries. Literature and popular culture have not merely reflected the holiday's significance, they have actively constructed and disseminated its meanings, converting a specialized observance into a widely recognized romantic tradition. The expectations, symbols, and conventions associated with Valentine's Day are products of this ongoing process of cultural storytelling. A pivotal moment in the evolution of Valentine's Day occurred in the late Middle Ages with Geoffrey Chaucer's 1382 poem Parliament of Fowls, in which he creatively associated the feast day with the mating of birds. For this was on Saint Valentine's Day, Whan every fowl cometh there to chese his make. This literary innovation established a connection between the holiday and courtly love. Subsequently, William Shakespeare reinforced the romantic connotations of the day in Hamlet, where Ophelia's lament, "Tomorrow is Saint Valentine's Day, all in the morning betime, and I am maid at your window to be your Valentine," further embedded the association with romantic love in the cultural imagination. These contributions by major literary figures facilitated the holiday's transition from a religious to a romantic observance. In the 19th century, the narrative of Valentine's Day expanded from elite circles to the general public, facilitated by innovations such as the penny post, which made the exchange of handwritten notes more accessible. Esther Howland's entrepreneurial efforts in 1840s America further commercialized the holiday by mass-producing ornate Valentine's cards, thereby transforming romantic sentiment into a widely available commodity. This development established a substantial market for expressions of romance. In the 20th century, new media, including film, television, and music, shaped the holiday's imagery and expectations. Hollywood films, for example, popularized visual motifs such as grand romantic gestures and serendipitous encounters, while television sitcoms reinforced recurring themes and tropes. These media representations have played a significant role in defining contemporary perceptions of Valentine's Day. Concurrently, popular music contributed to the cultural construction of Valentine's Day by offering a diverse array of songs that encapsulate the complexities of love, ranging from romantic anthems to more critical or melancholic perspectives. Songs such as My Funny Valentine, David Bowie's Valentine's Day, and Steve Earle's Valentine's Day illustrate the holiday's capacity to serve as a metaphor for a range of emotional experiences. Additionally, post-war advertising campaigns for products like chocolates, diamonds, and flowers played a pivotal role in shaping the modern rituals of the holiday. These campaigns established a new cultural narrative in which specific purchases became standardized expressions of affection, thereby codifying Valentine's Day's symbolic language. The contemporary experience of Valentine's Day is shaped by the cumulative influence of literary, artistic, and commercial narratives. The pressures and expectations associated with the holiday can be traced to the enduring impact of cultural scripts established by figures such as Chaucer, Shakespeare, and Esther Howland, as well as by the conventions of film and advertising. Literature and popular culture have provided the foundational elements, characters, settings, and rituals that inform current practices. Each year, individuals engage with these narratives in varying ways, either adhering to established traditions or creating new forms of expression. This dynamic underscores the significant role of storytelling in shaping both perceptions and expressions of love. This is all for this episode. We hope that it was to your interest and enjoyment. Follow us on the next round for another exciting segment filled with knowledge, history, and curiosities. For now, stay well and keep your eyes on the fire. For more podcasts, visit flavorsandknowledge.com. Thanks for listening.